A warm good afternoon, class. In the previous video, we have seen the what is copper, why it is so important in the non-ferrous alloy system, non-ferrous alloy hierarchy. Copper plays a major role. Why it is playing a major role? Why it is used often in many industrial applications, mainly it will support thermal conductivity, electrical conductivity, and where the corrosion resistance is more important. So apart from this, uh, the last part of the previous video we have spoken about copper alloys. Okay, so the first copper alloy, what is this? Brass. Okay, when we take copper and when we mixed with zinc, when the zinc is mixed with copper, it forms brass. When tin is mixed with copper, it forms bronze. Okay, so when tin and zinc both are mixed, it forms gunmetal, right? When only copper and nickel are fused together, it forms copper cupronickel, right? So apart from this four copper alloys, we have tellurium, cadmium, and beryllium. So these alloys are made with the specific property in it. If we take tellurium into the application, you can see it has very good thermal, very good machinability. Cadmium, when it is we have increase in strength and with a little loss in conductivity when it is mixed with copper. And beryllium copper, it is have high strength alloy. Okay, it's one of the high strength alloy. Okay, first we will see about brass. Okay, if we take brass, there are two types of brass. One is alpha brass, second is alpha beta brass. Means that alpha brass is a single phase brass. In the name indicates that it is an alpha brass. There is no second phase forming, so it is a single phase solid solution where up to 36% of zinc is added. Okay, up to 36% of zinc is added to form this alpha brass. So when we take alpha beta brass, means that alpha is a phase, beta is another phase. So we have two phases. So this formation of two-phase solid solution is the alpha beta brass. It is formed because of the addition of zinc, which is above 36%. Okay, so the main part or the main motive to form this two brass is that here alpha brass is soft, ductile, and is easily cold worked, which is used to make these utensils where we are used, which it is used in most of the household applications. When we take alpha beta brass, this alpha beta brass is stronger than alpha brass, which because the addition the formation of this beta into the solid solution, right? So here the main characteristic is that here this brass is stronger than copper, which because pure copper is less strength. When we mixed with zinc, the zinc increases the strength. So copper, when it is added to zinc, form brass. So it is so this copper alloy brass is stronger than copper. Low thermal electrical conductivity when compared to copper, as we see once it is mixed with some elements and forming a new alloy, there will be some change in characteristics. There will be increase and decreases in the mechanical properties, and this is one of it. The third one is it can be molded into wires and rolled into sheets. This brass, you can see in the markets, you can see brass sheets and brass wires. So this is due to the application, due to the mixing of zinc, so that it is used in this type of applications where sheets and the wires comes into the picture, right? So the next one is 1 to 3% of PBC lead is used to have the increase in the machining property. So if we want to increase the machining property of this copper alloy, we are adding lead to the copper. So this copper, actually copper is type of reddish, it's a type of reddish brown color, but this copper, this brass convert its color changes from reddish to white, which is because of addition of zinc, right? So the next one is the brass. So there are several types of brass, and these brass are used for some specific applications. The first type of brass is gliding brass. So this brass is particularly used to make the jewelry works, like small ornaments, right? So the ornaments where we are mixing, where we are not using pure gold, the copper is mixed. They will say copper is mixed with this gold, which is it's nothing but the brass. It is mixed, so that it is used for jewelry works. Okay, pure copper is not strong. Addition of this brass increase the strength of the gold. Okay. Second one is cartridge brass, which is used to make these small cartridges and cells. Okay. The third one is standard brass. We will say STD brass. It is used for making screws, rivets, and tubes. Munz brass. It is particularly it's made to use for tubes, heat exchanger plates, extrusion rods, naval brass, as its name indicates that it is used in the marine structures. And the last one is admiralty brass. This admiralty brass is used for the condensers and pipe pullers used in the motors. Okay, so this is the brass. So next we will see about the bronze in the upcoming